Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the text or font color of your application or app projects on Retool. So let us guide you through this. So head over to App Project, and what you need to do guys is navigate to your app settings. You will find these here on the left hand side. So what you want to do is click into that gear icon, App Settings, and here you will see these customizations. So what you want to do is navigate to App Theme or App Theme Settings, and here tap or click into the color tab, scroll down, and here what you want to do is navigate to text, and here you may select a color for the dark text and for light text. For example, dark text, as you can see, works as a contrast against light backgrounds, and light text vice versa. So click into the color button here, select the color here, or you may use also the hex color code here. Now for light backgrounds I will stick to dark or to black, which is this hex color code, and white for darker backgrounds, but you can customize that and here change the intensity. And you can do the same for statuses, for example for info or for highlighting, and here at the bottom set also automatic colors. But for the text you may for example use this option guys, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.